Alrighty then, here I'm going to give you some ideas on how to draw some of the rectangular polar arrays. Those are from week 5 on the activity guide. And you want to do them all. There's a whole bunch of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And some of them are a little difficult. If you don't get them all, that's okay. But let me show you what you would be looking at. Here's where they all are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I've got kind of some snips of them, and I'm going to use my little highlighter. This one has a 3/8 by 3/8 triangle. So you can draw over 3/8, up 3/8, connect it. And then there's a polar array around this spot that makes all 4 of those happen. So draw a triangle, polar array with 4 items. And then there's a rectangular array of this thing. So you can highlight that. And the distance is 3/8 plus 3/8, that's 6/8, plus 1/8, 7/8. From here to the same point on the other one is 7/8. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you do that first one. Let's take a look at this one. This one starts with a little diamond, which it's 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch over. Lots of ways you can do that, but that would be 1 inch radius. So if you drew a circle and a polygon command with 4, you would get that item. Or you could just draw 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch over, attach it, and then you could keep doing the same. I like the polygon command. Draw a circle with a diameter of 1, 1/2 plus 1/2. Make a polygon with 4 sides and then get rid of the circle. And then you've got, it's 1 inch, 1 inch are your 2 spacings, and it's 3 by 3. So you're going to take that item, three columns, 3 rows, and you've got it. Now this one is just your midpoints. Midpoint, 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 midpoint. And then tell you the truth, it's quickest just to copy, 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 copy. Okay, so that would be, but you know that it's also got to be 1 by 1. So you could make an array of 4, 2 by 2, and they're 1 inch spacing and 1 inch spacing. So that's another way you could do that one. This one has lots of ways to do it. This one, I believe, should be a set of 3 different arrays. Make the big circle and do your array. Radius is 1/2. So from edge to edge is 1 inch, twice that. So you can make your circle with a radius of 1/2 and do your array. 3 by 3 array with a spacing of 1 and 1. Then you can draw this one, and that's got a radius of 1/4. So it's a diameter of 1/2. So you can draw it. And then diameter of 1/2 means all the way across is 1/2. Here to here is 1/2. So you can make your array. You can do it on this one down here. Draw your circle. Array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across and 3 high. The sideways distance is 1/2. The up and down distance is 1. That's kind of cool. And then here you can just draw up and over draw your item. And then it's also going to be a spacing of 1 and a spacing of 1. So I think that's the easiest way to draw that one. This one's really interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can even put the 7th one in if you want. Each one of these is 3/4 of an inch. And this is 3/4 of an inch. So you could draw that. You could draw this line and array it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, 1/8 inch across. That creates those. And then you can array that 4 places around that point. And then you can array the whole little set of 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the distance is 3/4 plus 3/4, 1 1/2. So that gives you a little clue on how to draw these ones. There's a few more to draw, but it's just good graphic design that is kind of fun. So there you go. Rectangular polar arrays as used in graphic layout and design.